My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey,
Hi you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom to one baby girl and have one baby boy on the way. And today we are going to be doing a whole house, well, first floor, which is basically most of my house except for the rooms upstairs, but we're going to be deep cleaning the entire house, entire first floor, undecorating, taking down all the spring. If you're not new here, you know that I am 5 months pregnant, almost 6 months, and yeah, I put up spring back in like March or April, and I found out I was pregnant after. So this has been pretty much my house since then. I did not decorate for summer. I didn't have the energy in the first trimester and a little bit of the second trimester to take down anything. But now, as August is approaching, you guys know that us creators put out our fall content in August for you guys, so that come fall and September you guys have all the motivation you need to decorate for fall. So I am prepping to put up fall. I actually already began to put up fall, and I'm so excited to show you guys. The very next video is going to be my fall decor haul, and then my first fall video should be in August. So I'm so excited. It looks like a pumpkin field in my house and I'm in love with it. But what I was gonna say, okay, pregnancy brain. But yeah, so being pregnant, doing all this stuff really takes me a lot of time. So I did have to decorate for fall a little bit earlier than usual, because usually I would knock out my entire house all at once, but because I get out of breath so quick, I'm gonna have to do one room a week, so that's why I started so early. But anyways, we are deep cleaning, and one of the things we have to deep clean is my sofa. I get a lot of questions on how I keep a white sofa with a toddler and now another baby on the way, and the secret is my little green machine. If you watch my extreme car cleaning video, which was a crazy mess, I worked wonders with this machine, and here again you're gonna see it work wonders. This is how I keep my carpet clean. This is how I clean my sofa, my car, you name it. This little machine does a big job on any mess. And yeah, before I change any seasons, when we're going into Christmas, fall, Valentine's Day, whatever, I always make sure to clean this sofa first, because it does get dirty with she spills juice on it, and she even had an accident on it one time. So but this machine got it all out, so I'm going ahead and starting with that before I go ahead and deep clean and wipe everything else down, because I knew that I needed to focus on my sofa first, because once I started losing energy, I wasn't going to give it my all anymore. So I was like, let me start with this, so at least all the energy that I have in the beginning goes towards the couch, and then if I slack off later on, it's not a big deal. I can just pick up another day. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this sofa clean. I vacuumed first, and then I vacuumed my carpet, just because I'm gonna be cleaning the cushions on the carpet.
when you're out and about, tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love, and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want.
So for the top, you saw me take off the covers for the top cushions, because they're easy to take off the covers, and I just put them in the wash. And I made a whole video on how to wash them, but basically you want to wash them on a delicate cycle, no bleach, no nothing that could shrink them. But yeah, so the bottom cushion covers are a little, I can take them off, they have a zipper, but the inside is not a cushion. It's just, it'll be complicated to take them out. So that's why I clean these and the body of the sofa with the little green machine. But first, you always want to make sure you give it a really good vacuum, get any dust or hair or any of that out of the cracks and crevices. And I use my big bulky vacuum, not my cordless one, because it's just much stronger. So there's not much to it. You want to focus on the areas where you have the stains at, so I always spray those first a little heavily, and then the rest of the cushion I don't gotta put as much water. To do all 3 cushions, I had to refill this machine like 4 times. I do wish they had like a bigger one, but I'm not complaining because the power on this thing and the way it makes things look brand new is just amazing. So I started off with doing the top, and then I'll like spray the sides. I'll put that aside. You let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you go ahead and scrub, and then you can do the other side. But with white cushions or any light colored sofa color or whatever, you do want to make sure that you spray the whole cushion, because it will leave watermarks. The same way if you spill water on your sofa, once it dries, it leaves like a ring, and you can tell where the water was spilled. It's the same thing with this, and in the instruction manual, it actually does tell you make sure you spray and wet the whole sofa cushion so that you don't get any watermarks. So that's the only thing that is kind of hard too, because sometimes the whole cushion is not dirty and you just wish you could use it as a spot cleaner. But yeah, for my color sofa, I definitely have to spray the whole thing, and I learned that the first time that I tried cleaning this couch. But other than that, this thing is amazing. I had heard of Folex or something like that. My Texas house posted it on her Instagram, and she has a white sofa, so maybe when she sprays with that, it doesn't leave a watermark. I don't know. Let me know down below if you have it. I have it on my Amazon cart. I just never ordered it. But yeah, this has been doing a pretty good job, and I like washing the whole cushion either way because it just makes the whole thing look nice, bright, and white again. And again, I'll have this link down below, and it's amazing, you guys. If you want to skip the instruction manual, basically you want to fill it with hot water. That does best, to the water line, and then a little bit of the solution to the solution line. It tells you that. You mix it up. Like I said, you spray wherever you need to clean. Make sure you spray the whole cushion or whatever you're doing, and then you let that sit, and then you're going to go ahead, do a little bit of scrubbing, and then sucking the water out, and then you let that dry. My sofa usually takes a little over 24 hours to dry. It depends on how soiled I got it wet, depending on the stains and stuff like that. And yeah, you guys will see the end result in a bit. So after I was done cleaning, that was the dirty water. It puts it into the other side, and then you could just dump that out. This was like in the nighttime the next day. I just wanted to show you guys how white everything came out. It looks like a brand new couch. And also with this couch is from Wayfair. I'll try to have it linked down below, but I also have extra top cushion covers, and I think I'm going to order extra bottom covers. It's under the warranty, so I just called them and I told them that the top cushion covers were starting to become a little like deflated. Like I did have to refill them with more of that, what is it called? The cotton material. And I made a little hole in the lining and I stuffed it, and it's all good. But they did send me, just because there's like a warranty on it, they did send me 3 cushions with 3 new covers. I have them in my closet upstairs, so in case these ever get really bad, or I can alternate them and whatever. So it does have warranty on it, so I love that. It was an easy process, but now I'm just gonna wipe everything down and then move on to the rest of my house.
You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turn into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed every day. 24/7.
The decor that I'm leaving on the shelves is decor that I'm probably going to use for fall. I actually did. You guys, I love the way my living room turned out. It's the first room I worked on. I cannot wait to show you guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys the haul next week. But yeah, I just wiped everything down really good, like the mantle, because I'm doing like I don't even want to say too much, but I'm just doing a nice mantle, a few nice like centerpieces in here. Not centerpieces, but like areas that are just going to draw your attention. I worked really hard this year for fall. I was so excited for it, but now I'm in my dining room, and again, I'm taking down all the spring, like pillow covers, all the florals that I had, my tier tray. I have had bunnies in my house since March, and I was so happy to get it all down and put some more warmer colors up. And yeah, in New York, this summer has been weird. I don't know if it's like that where you live, but it's been, even right now, it's like thundering, and there's a severe like thunderstorm warning with a tornado warning right now as I'm recording this voiceover, and it's all day. And this is how summer has been. It's been not so hot. We had a few like 90-degree days, but mostly it's been like low 80s, sometimes 70s like today, and a lot of rain, kind of like spring. Like summer was replaced with spring, and then spring was a little bit still cold. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. The weather, the seasons are changing, so me decorating for fall a little early is actually not that bad because it doesn't feel completely like summer yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything down, get in my kitchen, take down again all the bunnies, all the florals, and wipe everything down. But that's pretty much it. For the floors, I actually just had my narwhal go ahead and vacuum and mop my floors for me because, as you can see, it's getting a little darker in this clip. And I was tired. I don't think you guys understand how tired I am after I did that car cleaning video. After I did this, you guys see everything sped up in like 14-15 minutes, but it does take a long time. And I was just so out of breath. I was so hungry after this. I did take breaks to eat, of course. But, yeah. So I will see you guys in my next video, God willing, as always, which will be my fall decor haul. The seasons are changing here on my channel, so I hope you guys are excited for that. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
So go, 'cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.